Makerbot Method, the most accessible industrial-grade 3D printer, is now an open platform. Method's heated chamber produces stronger and more accurate parts than a heated build plate. Print the most complex geometries with SR30 soluble supports. With Makerbot Labs, you can access modular hardware and advanced print settings to discover pre-qualified materials such as polycarbonate, PETG-ESD, ABS carbon fiber, and many more. An extended extruder temperature range of up to 300 C and a swappable hardened steel nozzle allows engineers to extend their 3D printing capabilities like never before. Access the next-generation desktop 3D printing platform that delivers manufacturing-grade parts with advanced engineering materials. The new Makerbot Labs, only on Makerbot Method.